Yeah, all right. Last time we were here, we got the passenger side. Found out two of the valves are obviously bent because they're lower. So we're gonna tear a little bit more apart on this, drain the coolant so you can get the heads off of it. Do the water pump, front, all the front drive. 'Cause we're gonna got 5.3 coming. We're gonna put all the stuff that's left good in out of this into that, and then we're gonna put the Terminator X out of this into that for the S10 with the 5.3. See if we can fix its demon issues with it not wanting to run properly. Clearly somewhere down the line we had a bolt that was hard to get to. Who knows if it really worked, but there it is. Looks like that could be a problem. That's a problem. Okay, we're gonna pull this motor. Well, it's out and on the stand. We've got a huge mess to clean up, but won't be bad once we get to it. We're gonna need balance puller up tomorrow. Pull that off, get all the goodies out of it. Drain the oil. Get the cam out of it. The rest of the lifters out of it. And then block goes in the junk pile.